Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature 10 plus haircut transformations that will inspire your next haircut idea. From longer pixie haircuts to the pixie bob to layered strands to everything in between, we hope this video inspires you to make a major hair change. If you are loving today's hairstyle ideas, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and of course be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we see a beautiful pixie bob hairstyle that features stunning highlights. And then we move on to look number 3, which features a gorgeous bob haircut complete with bangs. And then we see 2 women take the leap and also try out a bob haircut. Next up, we see yet another bob haircut transformation. And then we see another stunning haircut transformation that features a beautiful lavender pixie cut. So for those who are looking to try something a little bit more daring, here we have this beautiful undercut style. Next up, we have another stunning bob haircut. Gorgeous, nice center part down the middle, curtain style bangs, beautifully feathered. And then we see this stunning layered haircut. So if you want to see even more inspiring hair ideas, be sure to check out this video next.